What is up, everybody? It's your boy Mr. B, and what I have today is the Philips Hue Econic. These are actually outdoor wall lights that I've decided to pull as sconces inside my house. Let's actually get to unboxing and see what's actually inside of this. I start by separating the base from the housing unit by removing the screws from the top and bottom. A good tip here is to actually return the screws back in the base itself so you don't lose it. Next, I remove these 4 screws to remove the mounting bracket that I'll be placing on the wall. Here's the thing, Philips Hue does not actually provide any mounting hardware, but I was able to find some mounting screws at my local hardware store. I loosely screw in the bracket, then use my level to make sure everything is leveled up before finally tightening it up. Next, I loosen the ground wire, then twist the ground wire onto the base and screw it in. Finally, I connect the ground wire on the base to the ground wire on the outlet to ensure the entire unit is grounded. Now it's time to connect the white neutral wire. Finally, I connect the black live wire. One of the things I really appreciate about this bracket is that it has a cutout design to push these wires back into the outlet. Remember those screws at the beginning of the video? Well, it's now time to use them. And ladies and gentlemen, that's all it takes. Now let's see how these lights came out. These lights really blew me away. The fact that they dim so low makes them great for any indoor space. And those matte black edges actually complement the modern look that I'm going for. But anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one.